Yo, I'm Mnemonic. You can now customize your effects in BandLab. I'm going to show you how to do that so you can make more music. Customizable effects in the BandLab mobile app. I was actually really excited for that update. We're going to get to the mobile app here in a second. We're going to start in the web version. I have a simple beat laid out. And for this example, I'm just going to be adding effects to the synth pad that I have. Just 2 notes. Very simple. First, we're going to start with the presets. To do that, right-click on the track or click the 3 dots on that track directly and go to Preset. Here you'll see a list of all those applicable effects. It's important to note that whatever track you create, whether that be a vocal track, guitar track, bass track, MIDI instrument, etc., BandLab has presets that are most appropriate for that situation built in. So if it's a vocal track, it'll have vocal presets. If it's a guitar track, it'll have guitar presets, and so on. Now, I like to use the effects in the dedicated effects space down at the bottom. So if you go to the bottom left, click Effects, you'll see the effect box pop up, and now we can access those same presets. I want to add some movement to it, so I like the sound of phase tremolo. Now you can see I selected that effect preset. It added 3 different individual plugins. We have an EQ that's boosting some of the mids, a modulation, a phaser with a slow to medium rate, and then a tremolo with a faster rate, and also adding some width. Let's check that out. I like the sound of that, but let's say you wanted to see how it sounds without one of the effects. To disable an effect, you just click the on-off button at the top right of that individual effect. And to delete it, simply click the X right next to it. Pretty simple right there. Now let's say you don't want to use any of the presets and you just want to start from scratch or just mess with your own. You can either delete all of the effects or you can go to None in the presets and we'll apply that, erasing all of our effects. Now it's important to note right here, currently as I'm filming this video, the maximum amount of effects that you can add to one track is 8. So that's where we stand right now, but it's important to know. I did like the sound of the phase, so I'll try the phase 72 under modulation and mess with the speed until I like it. Awesome. I could keep going, but let's check out the customizable effects in the BandLab mobile app. Okay, I have the same project open up on my phone, but this time we'll be adding effects to the drums. To do that, just double tap on the actual icon of the instrument. For this, it happens to be the little drum with 2 drumsticks. That'll open, then tap Effects down at the bottom right above the red record button. And then you'll see all the presets that are built into BandLab. Let's check out some dirty chorus. Woo! That's obviously a very intense effect, and that's good so we can hear it clearly for this example. Now to edit that preset, just tap the little circle with lines and dots on it. It's supposed to denote faders of some sort. That'll open up, and now we can see the customizable effects here in the BandLab mobile app, which is really awesome. So first we have a fuzz screamer, which is distortion, and you can see drive, level, we can mess with those. I'm going to go ahead and remove it just for this example. Then there was a chorus and a compressor at the end. All that can be customized. Now this is what I really like about it. I'm going to exit this by tapping Done up at the top right. And now you see this? Do you see this? Yes, my face is now an effect. One day maybe, I've heard some murmurs, BandLab will allow us to share effect presets. That would be pretty awesome. Until then, that's it. That's all I got. Alright, there you have it. Hit that like button if this video helped you. Comment down below any questions you have. Subscribe for more BandLab tutorials and music making adventures I have planned. Lastly, go make more music. If you are watching this before the end of January 2020, there may still be time to enter my giveaway. BandLab has teamed up with me, which I'm extremely grateful for, to help you make more music. I've said it once, I'll say it again. I'm giving away 5 audio interfaces, 1 Link Digital, 2 Link Digital Duos, the 2 channel, and then 2 Link Analog Minis. They're all great audio interfaces, whether you're just getting started or a seasoned music maker. The link is in the description.